Hey everyone, it's your girl Cosmics Wonderland, and today I have a little project to do, including my Becca highlight that I actually shattered a couple weeks ago. So sad, right? But I'm going to try my best to fix it and to make it better than it originally was by using the Cover FX drops in these two different beautiful shades and 70% rubbing alcohol. You will need a spoon and you will need plastic wrap, okay? You will also need paper towels. So let's go ahead and get this process started. I'm gonna open this up and then I'm going to take my saran wrap, cut a square out of it. Okay. Take this, press it down and around like this. Okay, I'm not very good at saran wrap, not gonna lie, but you just need it on there so you can smash your product. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna take my spoon and my alcohol. Just going to use a small amount, about like that. Maybe a little bit more. Oh, shoot. Okay, and then I will take the coverage drops. My hands are going to be so messy after this. So now I'm going to let this sit overnight and dry out, and it should be good as new, even better than before now that I add the Coverage FX drops. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. We'll check it tomorrow and see how it is. Stay fantabulous, and as always, I will stay fantabulous for you guys. Bye!